Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create your very own sticker on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and enable the bell notification. So to do this, open your TikTok app. Now go ahead and tap on the plus sign to create a TikTok video. Record your TikTok video. Now in the TikTok video editing screen, you'll see the option for stickers at the bottom. Tap on that. On this next menu, find this icon. It has an image and a plus sign next to it. Now find a picture which you would like to turn it into a sticker. In this example, I'll use Drake's photo. Select it and at the bottom, enable upload to remove background. TikTok will analyze the image and remove the background. Now tap on OK. Now you can resize and move the sticker anywhere you like. Let me create another sticker for Elon Musk. I'll do the same as well, resize and move the sticker anywhere I like. And there you go, that is how to create your very own sticker on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.